Hey, how's it going, everybody? So, today is my birthday. Now, before you think that today is actually my birthday's actually in February. So, if you're seeing this video in the month of March, just FYI, it's not my birthday. But nonetheless, let me go right ahead and show you what I'm gonna be unboxing now. Most likely because of the title of this video, you already know of what that one thing is. I actually bought this for myself. Nobody bought this for me. I just decided, like, every it's not that I decided, but it's every year I try to get myself something, and it's been almost, God, how long has it been? Maybe 5 or 6 years since I last had a tablet. And the one that I used to have was, I think it was the Galaxy Tab 2. I think it was like the 10-incher one. But yeah, nonetheless, this is going to be a quick unboxing of this Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. So the reason I actually got this tablet is because it was on sale. So original price was $350 and it was actually turned out to $250. So that was a $100 discount. I was looking for something not too expensive, but it's like I said, I mean, it's already been some time since I've last actually checked on, actually purchased one of these tablets, and boy, have the prices risen over the years. I mean, like, I was like, most likely I'll pay like $350 for a tablet, and it'll be like maybe somewhat like near the top of the line. Boy, was I mistaken. I can't believe that these tablets actually go up to like 500, 800, sometimes even $1,000 at certain models. To tell you the truth, I mean, personally, I wouldn't really spend that money too high up. The reason being is because, I mean, if I want to spend 500, even $500 on a tablet, I mean, I'll just build myself a computer and call it a day. The reason I actually bought this one is because, I want to go right ahead and start actually studying up on certain subjects. I have a bunch of, PDFs that I want to go right ahead and read, a bunch of books as well. I mean, to watch videos and stuff like that, I mean, yeah, I could probably do that, but that's not the main goal that I actually purchased this tablet for. Well, nonetheless, let's go right ahead and get this unboxed. Alrighty. So here we have a shot of the front of the case right here. So pretty colorful. I will tell you this. Well, actually, now that I just saw this model does have an S Pen included on it. But the color on this one that I chose was Oxford. I think it was the Oxford Gray. So there it is. A couple of things regarding before I do the quick unboxing for this. So some specs on this model. So this model is actually the 10.4-inch tablet. Now, I did some research and I did find that this tablet actually has an octa-core CPU. This also has 4 gigs of RAM. The internal memory is 64 gigs, which technically that's fine because this model actually has an expandable micro SD slot. And from what I was researching, you can technically put a 1 terabyte micro SD card on this, which is pretty cool. Now, I also did read that this tablet has a battery life of 13 hours, so we'll technically go right ahead and check it out and see what happens there. So, nonetheless, let's go right ahead and basically open this puppy up. Oh, by the way, just before I forget, the main camera, which would be this one right here, I believe is an 8 megapixel camera, while the selfie one, which would be this one right here, is only 5 megapixels. Alright, so let's go right ahead and get this puppy open, and bam, there it is. Alright, here we go. So excited. Alright, so of course we have this right here. Let me see if I can just do this. There went everything. Alright, so the first thing we see, of course, is the tablet. Ooh, it's been a while. It's been a while since I've had a tablet, man. This is pretty cool. Way better than, I mean, this is what is it? The S No, what is this? The Galaxy 20 Note. So, I mean, just side-by-side comparison. I mean, this is a big phone. Cool deal. So, there we go. Of course, I mean, the gray you can actually see right there. Now, I just want to take a look. Okay, so this does, yeah, so like the USB charge cable, so this does have a C port right there. Looks like we do have some speakers. Nothing really on the left side of it. On this side, of course, you actually do see the micro SD slot right there. Volume up, volume down button, power on button. And oh, actually no, there's another speaker right here. So it looks like it's one in the bottom and then one up top. And trip out on this. So this model actually includes the 3.5 millimeter jack, which I know that a lot of phones and tablets have technically ditched. So that's pretty cool. If you're looking on, finding a tablet that has this one actually has it. Sweet deal. So, all right, I'll put this to the side. All right, so here we have, of course, the charge cable. Charger right here. Better shot right there. So this doesn't look to be that long. Maybe like, what would it be? Probably like maybe a 2-foot cable, roughly around. So you do get cable and charger. So cool. Have a bunch of these. Let's see. And we have the S Pen right here. And I don't think, well, I guess I would have to technically check and see, does this even have a battery? I don't even know. Whoops. I don't even know if this has a battery, if it just works with the tablet itself. But I guess I'll figure that out as soon as I start messing with it. I wonder does this have a little magnet? Oh, it does! I was wondering if it had a magnet. There it is. So you're able to just basically clip it on there and just take it with you. Now, the magnet it's not too strong. I mean, it's like, let's just say if I move the tablet up, I guess if I do move it, not too much, let's just say a couple of shakes really wouldn't drop the pen. But if you go a little bit stronger like I did at first, then yes, this pen will go flying everywhere. All right. So cool. That's the pen itself right there. It looks like it might have two magnets. I think it's like one here on top and then one here on the bottom. Because if I move it down here, you see how it has one magnet here. And I think, yeah, so it has two magnets right there. So, all right, pretty cool. Pretty cool. This one, oh, sweet. You got one of these little keys to open up the micro SD slot right here. Of course, all the terms and conditions and whatchamacallit would be here. Okay, quick starter reference guide and the terms and conditions. Technically, I think that's technically it for the box. That's all you get. All right, so closing thoughts on technically this little tablet. So I'm liking it right now. Like I said, I really don't know how it's gonna pan out. Maybe a couple of years down the line. And I'm thinking, this will technically probably, I'll still probably be using it, 5 years down the line. Who knows? But yeah, we'll see how this actually goes. I'm actually thinking on possibly even getting a case for it because this is like, let me see. There it is. It's like it's very slim. And I know if I drop it, I'm immediately gonna damage it. So I might get a case for it. So, hey, happy birthday to me. Alrighty, everybody. Well, that is the end of this video. Like always, I really do appreciate every single one of you, and we will catch you on the next one.